Okay, go. Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Today is June the 30th, and it's about 85 degrees here in Memphis. And I wanted to do another view on the Ryobi bump knob replacement, because I've had several questions on how to get this part off of the this part, whatever you call it. I don't know, but it's pretty easy to do. Just there's right here, if you can see, there's an indentation here, and there's one here. So what I'm going to do is just press these two with my fingers, and it pops right up, just like that. I took the string out, but just say you're out of string or you need to replace it, it's the same way. But basically it goes on like that. Just this knob here and this one here, and they're on the opposite sides of the where the line comes out. So we'll just press it, and the spring will push it right up. That easy. So I'm going to take this and set it down here, and then take that and set it here, and there's the spring. So to reinstall it, if you are going to replace the bump knob, you'll just take it off, and there'll be an indentation here and one here, and just line those two up, and it goes right on. And then put this, I guess the easiest way would be to put that in there, and then to line up this indentation and that indentation with these two things right here, and it should just pop on. Next one, I'm going to line up the string. So there's an arrow on your bump knob, and then you want to, there's a little arrow right here, right in front of one of the holes. So just go until it clicks. And I just got a little bit of string right here. I'm just going to feed it through. Please go through, thank you. I just got a little string to show you. Goes like here. I'm going to grab my speed wheel, put it on that, and it's going to pull it in. If I had 15 feet, it would take about 20 seconds. And then you're done. All right, thank you very much, and please subscribe, and have a good 4th of July coming up, and let's all try to do better at something. I don't know. Bye.